Ito na naman guys. Oh. Magpo-forward ako. Danish Danske Bank to Philippine Bank. Alam mo kung ang ginagawa? Alam mo kung ano, yan yung Jessica na yan, kung bakit nagkakapera yan at ang yabang-yabang sa Santa Cruz. Kasi nung nag-aano ako nag-join ako sa M Global, nakakunik yung puking inang account number niya sa aking Danish Bank. At hindi ko ma-erase ang punyeta na hinayop ng kapunyetahan. Alam mo ngayon guys, magsisend ako. Normally, there's an option of country. Tignan mo. Tignan mo guys, nakikita nyo ba yan? Dito, Pakistan nandyan. Palestina nandyan. Palau nandyan. Panama. Papua New, ano yan? Dapat nandito ang Philippines, di ba? Tignan mo ha. Wala dyan ang Pilipinas, guys. Nasa R na siya. Alam mo tong Denmark na to, hindi ko alam kung nandito ang London. Tignan natin kung nandito ang London, guys. Kasi tignan mo, guys. Tignan mo. Honest is London is not here. Yeah. London is not here because they know that I will send money to my family, one of my family. At kinukontrol nila, guys, lahat ng kademonyuhan nila na labas. Base sa kademonyuhan nila. Wala ang London, guys, kung saan magpo-forward ako ng pera sa tiyahin ko. At alam mo ba yung style nila? Bibigyan ka ng sakit ng ulo gamit ang puking inang mga putang inang mga Pilipinang mangkukulam. Yes. Si Auntie Bibian, sumasakit ang ulo. Si ate, sumasakit ang ulo. Alam mo yung putang inang countering ito? Sa sobrang gahaman at kademonyuhan. Nagsanib-puwersa sila ni Judas. Nawawala ang London na country kapag magpapadala ka ng pera sa Pilipinas. Honest guys is international help. Yes, we need help here in Denmark. All Filipino here or some of a country, they hold to their neck. So we cannot come out to their country because we don't have money. Honest is they are hypocrites. We work hard in Denmark for nothing. Yes. So they can control that we cannot travel in Philippines. That's what they are wish for. Kapag Pilipina ka sa countering ito, wala kang rights na makalabas sa countering ito without other person's help. Yes. If someone come and help you, like what they said, they will hold you to your neck. And this is, guys, it's very easy to, send money. Pero alam mo yung mga hypocrite ang kapitbahay namin na yan? Kung bakit ang lalakas ng mga hangin yan? Mula nung na-add ko yung isang account dito na hindi ko kamag-anak, ang lakas-lakas ng hangin nila, yes. Malakas ang hangin nila kasi alam nilang magkakapera sila. Pero this time, guys, isisiwalat ko sa buong mundo. I will tell to everybody international how they play Filipino lives here in Denmark if they want to control. You cannot come out in Denmark because of fucking shit brain they have. And if they are thinking that they can hold my neck because of this fucking shit money, I will travel going back to Philippines. I don't care if I don't have money. But this time, Denmark, promise, I will fight you back. In legal way that you said, yes, Denmark, welcome to hell. Puking ulol nyo nga pala lahat.